afternoon, dear students. Hope you are here and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take computer class for the students of class 4 on the topic Chapter 1, page 10 and 11. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 1, page 10 and 11, and it will be reading them today. And students, this is lecture number 2 and homework number will be also 2. I'm repeating, this is lecture number 2 and homework number will be also 2. Now dear students, please take your computer book. I'm going to read from Chapter 1, page 10 and 11. Listen to me carefully. Chapter 1, page number 10, Input Device. Students, in earlier discussion, we have learned that there are three kinds of computer parts. They are input device, output device, and processing unit. Today, we will learn about input device. Input device is also a part of hardware that can help to take information from us. So basically, input device is a part of hardware and it helps to take information from us. An input device helps us to give an information to the computer. So what happens when you will put any information to the computer? You will get feedback through output device. So the parts or devices that helps to take information are called input device, and there are some common parts of computer device. Common computer input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Students, say again, common computer input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. First, we will learn about keyboard. Keyboard is the standard input device. Keyboard is the standard input device. You can give any data or instruction to the computer through keyboard. As I have mentioned that you have to put information to the computer and after that you will get feedback. So how you will put your data or information? You can use computer keyboard to input or to provide data or instruction. The standard keyboard has 90 to 104 keys. So how many keys are there in a standard keyboard? There are 90 to 104 keys. Students, this is important line. Please mark here. The standard keyboard has 90 to 104 keys. In multimedia keyboard, there are 104 to 110 keys. So how many keys are there in a multimedia keyboard? There are 104 to 110 keys in a multimedia keyboard. Keyboard looks like a typewriter. So what type of thing or machine is keyboard? It looks like a typewriter. It is made up of different types of keys. So keyboard is made up of different types of keys. Students, have you ever seen any keyboard? I hope you have seen and you have noticed that there are a lot of keys. Alphabets in capital letters, numbers, and some special characters are printed on the keys, and whenever we press the key, the corresponding character will be displayed on the screen. I'm repeating. Alphabets in capital letters, numbers, and some special characters are printed on the keys. Students, if you check your book here, you can see the picture of a keyboard and you will get some capital letters, some numbers, and some special characters or keys printed on the keys. And whenever you press the key, the corresponding character will be displayed on your screen, that means on the monitor. Now come to page number. Here you can see, do you know? You can see the question, do you know? Ada Lovelace was known as the first programmer in the world. I'm repeating, Ada Lovelace was known as the first programmer in the world. Students, mark this line. You can get the question, who was known as the first programmer in the world? It is Ada Lovelace who was known as the first programmer in the world. Now students, you will go to page number 11. We will learn about some of important keys of keyboard. Some of important keys of keyboard. I will start with special keys. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, etc. So it means function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4, function 5, etc. are called special keys. So can you see here F1, F2, F3, F4, F5? Here these are called spatial keys. They are also called function keys. As I have mentioned, spatial keys are known as function keys. If you look here, students, here in your book you will find the picture function F to function 12, function F1 to F12. These are called function keys or spatial keys. Next, caps lock. Here you can see you will get this type of key in your keyboard. This key is used whenever we want to type any word or letter or sentence in capital letters. So why we need caps lock? If we want to type or write any word or letter or any sentence in capital letter, then we have to press this key. That means we have to press caps lock. To use this key, press it once and see the yellow light on the upper right corner. Here you can see in your book there are some lights. If you press caps lock, it will be lit on. So a yellow light will be lit if you press caps lock. On at the upper right corner of keyboard where the caps lock is written on a button. I hope you can understand. You have to press to activate caps lock. The light displayed in the indicates that the caps lock is activated, and if we want to write a smaller case later again, then press this button again to deactivate the caps lock. Students, I am showing you how you will write your name. Suppose my name is Fatema. I want to write all in capital letters. So what I have to do? I have to press caps lock, then I will type or press the letters F, A, T, E, M, A. So if I want to write my name or any word or any sentence in capital letter, all letters will be in capital, then we have to press caps lock. We have to press caps lock for writing in capital letters. But if I want to go back to small letter, if I want to write in small letter, first one will be capital and second one on others will be in small letter, then I have to press caps lock again. Then I can write like this, F, A, T, E, M, A. Then I can write in small letter again. But if I don't press the caps lock again, then it will be in capital letter. All letters will be in capital. So you have to keep in mind that to write all the letters in capital, you have to press one time caps lock, and if you want to get back to small letter again, then you have to press again to the key caps lock. Now we will learn about navigation keys. Navigation key is used to move the cursor position in all directions, left, right, up and down in the page. You can see these are called navigation keys. These are called navigation keys or direction keys. You can see such keys in your keyboard. If you want to go to up side, then you will press this key. If you want to go to left side or right side or down side, then you will press all these keys. Now we will learn about mouse. Mouse is the most popular input device. Students, mark this line. Which one is the most popular input device? It is mouse. Mouse is the most popular input device. Mouse is also called pointing device. What is the another name of mouse? And the name of mouse is pointing device because we can point anything through mouse. Generally, it has two buttons called left and right button. I hope you have seen a mouse and you have noticed there are two pairs, left side and right side, and these are called left button and right button. There is one scroll bar at the middle of the mouse. So when you will get a mouse, there are left side and right side, and in the middle you will get a bar and it is called scroll bar. Mouse can be used to control the position of cursor on the computer screen. Students, have you ever seen the sign of scroll cursor? It's like this. It's like this. This is the sign of cursor. So if you want to control this, if you want to move the position of the cursor, you can use mouse, and you can see this sign in your monitor. Now come to this portion. Do you know? A question is for you. Before the mouse, computers use text interfaces and it was very time consuming. So if you use mouse as input device instead of keyboard or other instruction, it would be better for you. It will save you time. If user wanted to point at something, he had to use a laser-like pen. You know, before the invention of mouse, people used to use laser light to point something, and it really was not time consuming like mouse. Students, that's for our discussion from page 10 and 11 from chapter 1. Now look, I have provided your homework. Your homework will be write the names of input devices. This question will be your homework. You have to write the answer. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.